Hi, I'm TJ Ackermann, and I'm the developer of Walworth Junction, the site of the 2020 HOMEARAMA here in Cincinnati's historic East End neighborhood. The East End neighborhood is seeing a surge of activity from home buyers and people interested in all the great opportunities you have to enjoy both indoor and outdoor dining throughout the East End and Columbia Tusculum. You have Jeff Ruby's precinct right at the beginning of our street. You've got a wonderful restored historic tunnel that's going to connect you over to Eli's Barbecue, the Highmark Bar, and Emma's Wine Bar, one of the newest, greatest additions to here in the East End and right along Riverside Drive. So here at Walworth Junction, we had 7 homes in the HOMEARAMA Home Show, and 6 of those were pre-sold. The 7th home is just being finished by Fraser Homes, and Andre Fraser will be happy to meet with you and give you a personal tour. We really recommend that you consider making a lot selection sooner as opposed to later so that you can get the location that you would like. We're very proud of the development, and we have a wealth of resources that explain how a new beautiful home for you could fit very well into this community. But we really would encourage you to come down in person and see it. There's nothing like visiting the site and seeing these beautiful, majestic homes, their wonderful settings, and the incredible views that they offer. This is something that needs to be experienced because this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to have a beautiful home here in Cincinnati's East End neighborhood.